We're here at Gulfood in partnership with Meat and Livestock Australia. There are 35 of our most major significant red meat exporters here. This is a very large market for Australian red meat products coming into the Middle East region. And we saw today firsthand at this Gulfood that the opportunity for the buyers to meet with sellers. The Australian stand is overwhelmed with people coming through, but what you're watching is deep relationships that have existed over many years of looking at opportunity for our beef, our lamb, and that's actually really interesting to see some of the changes that are going on. It used to be, frankly, a commodity market, but now what we're seeing is high quality lamb products that are chilled coming in, that are going into the restaurants, that are going into the high-end supermarkets that consumers are having every day. And this is a market that's got the capacity to be able to pay for those types of things. So we've got a really good forefront for the red meat industry, and in particular, as we phase out of live sheep exports to help grow the lamb market, export market for us.
I've been working for Australian meat for the last 20 years. So I've seen the whole thing from start to till now. Being in Australia, seeing the farmers, how they raise, how they care, how they love their animal, their land, the green paddock, the system that they have in Australia to raise all this animal is basically second to none. You always love anything that it's a very high quality. And that's basically what I see when I talk about Australian meat, or when I taste Australian meat. I am tasting high quality. I'm tasting clean water, fresh air, all the good elements and the excellent elements that they make this meat the best in the whole world.
Australia-UAE Comprehensive Partnership Agreement, better known as CEPA, it will basically remove 99% of tariffs for goods coming into this market, and in particular for red meat. That's a win. And so those tariffs will reduce. That will actually help us become more price competitive with a high quality product into the market, which will help lift demand for us.